In any weather conditions, in any size and type of marina, high-quality marine infrastructure is essential. Top Marine offers complete floating pontoon solutions. With decades of experience, it can ensure top quality, fast and reliable shipments, as well as a fair price. Top Marine designs, manufactures, installs, and maintains high-quality floating pontoons and their accessories. All the materials used are of top quality, so the products can serve the customer in varying weather conditions for years to come. Each year, we produce up to 4 kilometers of floating pontoons that we ship out to our clients all over Europe. We adhere to the principles of circular economy, so almost nothing goes to waste. In the concrete workshop, we can produce pontoons that are up to 4 meters wide and 20 meters long, weighing up to 40 tons. The timber workshop's capacity is up to 60 meters of deep impregnated wood decking per day. Before shipping, the products are assembled on site to make installation as quick and easy as possible. Professional installation crews have diving and towing capabilities. Later on, the products only need minimal maintenance.
When we were building the Havenkaku Marina, our aim was to be the best marina in Baltics. Also, all our partners, all the construction firms were meant to be the best. So on floating piers, Top Marine came up, and after 4 years we can say that it was the top choice.